model, 2020 Citroen Relay 33 L1h1 Enterprise Blue 2.2 Hdi S needs engine repair VAT inclusive. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 122546. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine turns over, but there is a popping sound from the intake. The timing chain has slipped, jumped, straightforward, simple repair if you know what you were doing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, sat-nav, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link